What's up, Better Days? Today we are on another new waterway, the second in 2 days. Yesterday I was at Drakes Creek, Kentucky. This is the Harpeth River right here in Middle Tennessee, just outside of Nashville. I can't believe I've never come here. This place is called Narrows of the Harpeth. If you come here, you can drop your kayak off at those steps right there and then drive back out of the park around the other side of this hill and park at, that's at Harris Street? Yeah, Harris Street Bridge. It's literally, you drive out and it's like a 90-second drive to the other side of the hill. And then you park your car there and walk a trail over the mountain, right back over here. And the trail, he said it'd be 10 minutes. It was more like 7 or 8 minutes. And when you get here, you can put your kayak in down those steps and then go 5 miles back over to your car. So you can do this by yourself. Today I'm lucky enough to do this trip with my buddy Don Lottie. He invited me out here, and I never heard of this trip. And of course, since I can do it by myself and do 5 miles of river, I'm gonna be out here a lot. And that's what his buddy Philip said. He said he's gonna be coming out here. Whether we catch fish or not, this is the place to be. Okay, this is Montgomery Bell State Park as well, Narrows of the Harpeth. This is a cave that was, well, I guess it's a mine. It was drilled straight through this hill so they could harness the hydroelectric power. Make this river fall straight through the hill to the other side of the river. Something forging. Oh yeah, I already had one. Man, that thing wiggled crazy. It's gonna be a good day. There we go. Monster. Oh my God, it got off. I cannot believe that. That was a huge fish. It was peel and drag immediately when it hit. That was a smallmouth, man. That was a huge smallmouth. Just throwing lures or live bait? Lures. Oh, good. There we go. Finally stuck a little one. Some sharp steel. No. First cast with a heavy jig. Yeah, big heavy jig. Look at that bass. Look how fat that bass. This bass got whirling disease, just like one I caught the other week. That's a spotted bass. Whirling disease meaning his back is all crooked, his spine's all crooked. That's a fat spotted though. First cast with that jig, you guys seen that? The wind's kind of blowing me in there. There we go. That's a heck of a fish. Look at here, boys. Look at this thing. Watch this. Watch this. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, it's probably like 8 inches long. Maybe 9. Oh no, he's better than that. He's 10 or 11 inches. He didn't fight very big. I thought I had a little one on. Look at there, Don Lottie. That is a beautiful fish. And he was sitting right up in this current. Rooster tail. Rooster tailed him right out of the current. Wow, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Wow, that is incredible. My goodness. Oh, wow. It's like the Grizzly River Rampage in here. There we go. I got a pig here. Yes, sir. I can't reach my net. There it goes. Oh, and it's off. It got off. Yep. 3/4 of a pound. You think? There we go. Got one right off the edge. Good one. He threw me. Okay, guys, so if those of you keeping count at home, that's 3 times today I've hooked into a bass and it's got away. Something swiped on it. He got it. Yep. I got a good one. Ow. Spotted. Spotted bass. Watch out for this tree. Watch out for that tree. Oh, shoot. Daggone. Spotted bass. Fat spotted bass. Rooster tail. I think I'm gonna leave that in. That was particularly bad. Every time something like that happens, it reminds me of this one guy who said fishing with more than one pole just makes problems. There we go. Stay out of that tree. What have we got here? Little smallmouth. There we go. Yeah, it's like a lagoon. It's like the land before time. I think Littlefoot's back here. Oh yeah, it's a cold, clear spring. All of a sudden there's all these people. Obviously there's some kind of trail. There's the hole for the mine where they got their hydroelectric power. Right there. That's where on the other side it was all like danger, do not enter. Oh, this is super cool. Are you kidding me? There's people fishing. That's awesome. Cool. There we go, monster. Good fish.
Oh man, I gotta get out here.
Look at this fish. Oh, it spit me. It spit me. Yeah, Don Lottie saw it. It spit it right at me, didn't it, Don Lottie? Man, I fought that one for a long time too. Got to record. I'm hooked into a good one. Another spotted. Gosh, he's barely hooked. There we go. There we go. Another spotted. Boy, I've been wearing the spotted out. And you're right, that is a super healthy, super pretty. Golly, look at this fish. What a fish. And I'm just sitting here in the current throwing a rooster tail. I've hooked into one and caught one now. Phil's caught one and hooked into another one. Man. There we go. Pulled a nice little bass right out of these leaves. Not wearing my camera. I already did my sign off. One more. There we go. There we go, guys. Smallmouth. Rooster tail. Bonus fish number 2. One hook in him. Just barely. There we go. This is the hill you have to climb. Where that yellow sign is, under the bridge, is where we'll pull out. That's where our cars are. You walk under the bridge and then up over this hill, and then on the other side is where your kayak's waiting for you. So you don't have to do any shuttling at all. And it was really awesome. This was a really awesome trip. The next time I come here, which will probably be next week, I'll do the walk. I'll show you the walk. The hike is not super easy, but not hard at all. And it's stunning. It's crazy beautiful. The hike itself is beautiful. So I'll do a video including the hike next time to show you how far it is. It's just 7 or 8 minutes across this hill to the other side, and then it's 5 miles. 5 miles of river. So that's a really great trip, and you don't have to pay anything. You can do it yourself. So today was a really slow day, and we still caught a lot of pretty good fish. We had a lot of good ones get away. But thanks you guys for watching. Have a better day.